Right now, we're observing a sentiment score of plus 0.27 in education, but the momentum is taking a noticeable dip at minus 0.39. This divergence is unusual and indicates a potential shakeup in how people feel about education, perhaps a reaction to recent policy changes or news events. Our Sentiment API provides nuanced insights into this sentiment landscape, returning detailed sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters. With 20 distinct semantic clusters identified, you can drill down into specific topics that are influencing sentiment in real time. Imagine using this data to tailor your educational content or marketing strategies, aligning them closely with what your audience is feeling right now. Curious to see how this can enhance your project? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.